is a pretty big announcement, and AT&T is finally making the decision to move to open radio access networks. So one thing to understand about non-radio open access networks, these are proprietary systems usually developed by one vendor, which typically locks in a telecom provider to that one supplier. That could lead to higher costs, less flexibility, and then other challenges when you're dealing with that one single supplier. AT&T making this move to an open standard where that brings in more vendors, opportunities to develop different hardware platforms, software, things of that nature. That gives them an opportunity to not only save some costs, but also get some additional features and benefits by moving to a more open platform. So let's think about this for a second. Let's just pretend that you have a computer at home and you can only put in a certain hard drive from a certain manufacturer. Let's just say that had to be from Microsoft. If you had a problem with that hard drive, you couldn't get it anywhere else except for Microsoft. That would be silly. That wouldn't make any sense whatsoever. But that's what the telecom industry has been dealing with for the last several decades. A single vendor, single proprietary interfaces, and a single platform to work off of with their wireless networks. So this is a big deal. They're looking to spend somewhere in the range of $14 billion with Ericsson over the next 5 years. And believe it or not, this is actually going to be cheaper than what they were going to be doing with their previous supplier, which tells you about how much of a big deal this savings and this move is. Definitely looking forward to seeing the progress that AT&T is going to be making starting in 2024 and beyond, and we'll see how this translates to innovation in this space with Ericsson.